and welcome to my channel. My name is Jack. And I am back. So I guess you can say that I am back, Jack. Have you ever wondered how to snag those last-minute cruise deals like a pro? Last-minute cruise deals are a treasure trove for spontaneous travelers and those seeking value. They offer an opportunity to experience the luxury of cruising without breaking the bank. Imagine being able to explore exotic destinations, enjoy fine dining, and relax in style, all at a fraction of the cost. But what's the secret to scoring these incredible deals? Is it just a matter of luck, or is there a strategy involved? In this video, we'll dive into the world of last-minute cruise deals and share insider tips on how to find the best offers and make the most of your spontaneous travel adventure. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a newbie to the world of cruising, last-minute deals can be a game-changer. They offer the perfect opportunity to try out a new cruise line, explore a new destination, or simply enjoy a quick getaway. Cruise lines often find themselves with unsold cabins and packages, which can result in significant losses if not sold. This is where last-minute deals come in, a way for cruise lines to offload their remaining inventory and make way for new bookings. Let me take just a moment to ask you, if you are enjoying this video, please give it a like. It really goes a long ways. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be informed when new content comes out. Also, if you would like me to keep an eye out for last-minute deals, please email me your name, email, and a home number and I will contact you about last-minute deals. The cruise industry is a multi-billion-dollar market, with millions of passengers setting sail every year. However, despite its popularity, many cruise lines struggle to fill their ships, especially during off-peak seasons. This can lead to a surplus of unsold cabins, which are then offered at discounted rates to fill the gap. Booking patterns vary greatly depending on the time of year, destination, and type of cruise. Peak seasons like summer and holidays see a surge in bookings, while off-peak seasons like mid-January to mid-March tend to be slower. Cruise lines often adjust their pricing strategies accordingly, offering discounts and promotions to attract more customers during slower periods. Fluctuating demand is another factor that contributes to last-minute deals. If a cruise line has overbooked a particular sailing or underestimated demand, they may need to offer discounts to offload excess inventory. This can work in your favor as a traveler, providing you with opportunities to snag amazing deals. So, where do you find these incredible last-minute deals? The answer is, it's all about knowing where to look. From online travel agencies to cruise line websites, social media, and travel agents, there are numerous sources to explore. Be flexible with your travel dates, consider off-peak seasons, and keep an eye out for special promotions. When it comes to finding the perfect deal, timing is everything. The best times to book a last-minute cruise deal vary depending on the cruise line, destination, and time of year. However, as a general rule, it's best to start looking around 30 to 60 days prior to departure. Assessing the quality of a last-minute cruise deal can be tricky, especially if you're new to cruising. Look for added perks like free drinks, shore excursions, or Wi-Fi packages. Check the fine print to ensure you understand what's included and what's not. Research the cruise line, ship, and itinerary to get a sense of what to expect. Some cruise lines are more generous with their last-minute deals than others. For instance, Carnival Cruise Line often offers significant discounts on select sailings, while Royal Caribbean tends to throw in free upgrades or onboard credits. I recall a recent last-minute deal I stumbled upon, a 7-night Caribbean cruise on the Norwegian Getaway for under $500 per person. The original price was over $1,200, so it was a steal. The ship was amazing, and we enjoyed every moment of our spontaneous getaway. Another example is a 4-night Bahamas cruise on the Disney Dream, which I found for just $350 per person. The original price was over $800, so we saved a whopping 57%. The kids loved the Disney characters, and we enjoyed the relaxed atmosphere on board. Don't be discouraged if you don't find the perfect deal right away. Keep an eye on prices, and be prepared to pounce when you see something you like. Some cruise lines offer price drops or sales, so it's essential to stay informed. One of the most significant concerns viewers may have about last-minute bookings is the limited choice in itineraries and cabins. It's true that options may be limited, but that doesn't mean you won't find something amazing. Another risk is missing out on popular destinations or peak season sailings. However, if you're flexible with your travel plans, you can still find incredible deals on last-minute cruises to top destinations. Lastly, some viewers might worry about the quality of the cruise experience itself. Will it be rushed? Will there be enough time to enjoy the ship's amenities? Fear not, last-minute cruises are often just as enjoyable as regular sailings, with the added bonus of being more affordable. In conclusion, last-minute cruise deals are a treasure trove for spontaneous travelers and those seeking value. With the right strategies and insider knowledge, you can snag incredible deals on luxurious cruises and enjoy the vacation of a lifetime. Remember, the key to scoring last-minute cruise deals is to be flexible, keep an eye out for promotions, and be prepared to book quickly. Don't let concerns about limited choices or quality hold you back. The benefits of last-minute cruising far outweigh the risks. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've learned some valuable tips for finding your next last-minute cruise deal. If you've had a similar experience, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel tips, cruise reviews, and last-minute deal alerts. Until next time, happy sailing!